Okay, guys, like you see here, I replaced this from the board. So board is broke also, and here also be broke. Now the connection, the screen is good for Samsung S20 FE, and now his phone is work fine, because when you make the pressure here, the screen, like you remember the freeze, and we've showed it different things, like not like the image, normal image, has been like the chaos image, yeah, the graphic problem, yeah. But it's not graphic problem, that's problem with these connectors and from the board. If you have any the same problem, with the problem with the charging and problem with the normal image on your phone, just come to my shop, I will be fix that, yeah. That's will be normal price, I don't charge anything less. And like you see, that's normal job for me and for my stuff here, because I used, like you see, this very teeny solder station. And see you soon. Bye. Thank you, and subscribe if you like, and give me like. If you don't like, don't give me the like, yeah. Just send me a message if you need help. I will try to help you and respond to your message very fast. Thank you.